welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm still filming a little catch up, you could have guessed. Amazon just rang my doorbell, gave me a literal heart attack. I don't know why they ring the doorbell. Like, don't do that, just put the package on the door. Does anyone else do that? Does anyone else freak out if your doorbell rings, or is it just me? Am I just traumatized? Yeah, okay. Anyways, Jesus. I'm like shaking now just from someone ringing my doorbell. That tells you I have a lot of healing to do still. Okay, anyways, tonight I'm doing a little catch up. This is the Botanical Beauty mystery bag, and this is the Stay Serene mystery bag. I believe these were from May 2025. The packaging reminds me of Greece. I would love to go someday. It's definitely on the list. So let's open them up and see what's inside. Okay, first we have the Stay Serene Mystery Glam Bag. It has this really cute little wooden tassel and this beautiful like Grecian design. It is like a canvas style bag. Okay, first we have the Green Tea Enzyme Vitamin C Brightening Serum from Innisfree. Cute. Then is the Biro New York Kiwi Detox Cleanser. I literally love getting mini face washes. And we have the Katano Beauty Hydrating Lip Glaze. Oh, this reminds me of like Juicy Tubes. That's really cute. A little lippy gloss. Then is the Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Detoxifying Scalp Treatment. There's 3 treatments in here. I do actually really like Gloss Modern products. Oh, that's cute. They're like little samples. Okay. And then last in the Stay Serene IPSY Glam Bag is the Toy Factory Click Stick, an eyeshadow crayon in Fantasy. Is this beautiful? Oh, that's weird. Literally absolutely nothing's coming off. What? Literally. I'm confused by this. Oh, and it just completely broke. So Toy Factory, I think you need to send me a new product. It literally just snapped off. The whole thing just fell apart. Okay, well, that was a complete bust. What a waste. Thanks, Toy Factory. Anyways, that is what was in the Stay Serene IPSY Mystery Glam Bag. Now we will open Botanical Beauty Mystery Bag. It is, again, another like Grecian style print. And it has this beautiful little pearl charm. Another canvas bag. And there are 5 full-size products in here. The first is the Co-Alive Copper Peptide Toner. Interesting. I love their hot pink packaging, but that's a clear bottle. Okay, cool. I love a spray toner, and it is a glass bottle, so I love that. Next is the Beauty Babe Bronze Highlighter. Man, they sure do give a lot of highlighters in these mystery bags. Incredibly glittery highlighter. I don't know if that's showing up, but it's not very finely milled. It has really big glitter. You can even feel the texture of it. Oh wow, but it actually, when you swipe it, it actually kind of mushes down the glitter. That's prettier than I thought it would be, to be honest. So I'm gonna keep that. Really cute. And let's see what else is in here. There's 3 more products. There's Release Blush Glow BB Cheek and Lip combo. I have 2 of the blush cheeks. This is a really beautiful mauve color. Okay, it's like a stick, like a multi-stick. In this like berry mauve color. That's really pretty. I like that a lot. That's like a really good combo with the highlighter too. It reminds me of like vacation. Mud Mosky, I hope I'm saying that right. The Mud Mosky Heat Protecting Hair Serum. It's for damaged hair. It restores, reduces frizz, adds shine, nourishes. Cool, love that. And then lastly is La Parfait Bright Bee Lip Gloss. Whoa, a gold lip gloss. Should I put this on now? It smells like cupcakes. It's very yellow gold. Is that pretty? I think it actually looks really good with the melon type lippy I had on. I would like a gold lip gloss, but I actually like this. So that is what was in the Botanical Beauty Mystery Glam Bag and the Stay Serene Mystery Glam Bag. Please like this video and leave me a comment on what you want to see next, and thank you so much for watching.